In today's video, we're looking at question number 20 on page number 32 of our SAT class notes. Let's read it together. If 3x plus y equals 13 and x plus 2y equals 5, then 4x plus 3y divided by 3 is equal to. This is an interesting question. In its beginnings parts, it's just a simple system. It gives me one equation and another equation and asks me to solve something about them. Whenever I start systems questions like these, I like to stack them up on top of each other. That's an easy first step. Our alarm bells go off when we notice that it's not asking for x or asking for y. It's asking for this very unique and specific 4x plus 3y divided by 3. 99% of the time, when the SAT asks me for something strange like this, it's not going to be totally by coincidence. There's usually a reason that we're asking for this specific thing. So now that I've stacked this stuff together, I'm going to play detective and see if I can notice what's going on here. Let's look at my x's first. I have a 3x and an x. What could I do to those two numbers to get them to become 4x? I have a y and a 2y. What can I do with these to get them to become 3y? I can actually, very simply, add these two equations together. I know with systems that I'm allowed to manipulate these basically any way I'd like, as long as I do the same thing on the left as I do on the right. 3x plus x is 4x, y plus 2y is 3y, and then on the right side, 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. And look at that. It worked out really, really nicely. 4x plus 3y is exactly what I wanted, and I solved that as equal to 18. I can now really simply substitute 18 into the numerator, divide that by 3 to get a final answer of 6, and very comfortably circle choice A. A lot of you guys before watching this video may have had the instinct to go through the long process of solving for x, then solving for y, and substituting those both back into the equation. Trust me when I say that's totally not worth it. In this particular question, it actually involves a lot of ugly fractions and other stuff that I don't really want to deal with. So this is totally a case for being a little bit extra vigilant on the SAT. When you're asked for something weird, there's a good chance that there might be a shortcut. Good luck, everyone.